Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Petalisbless. And I'm coming on today with another Glam DIY to share with you all. But first, I want to show you these Glam items that I just got in. Got these Glam sheets and they are from Beebeecraft. You know, when I get new items, I love to share them with you guys. So these are some Glam sheets and they come in these lovely colors here. Okay, these sheets are all rhinestone sheets and they're all 9.5 by 15.5 inches. Yeah, so we have this lovely turquoise color. I love it. Look at the bling. Isn't this nice? And then we have it in the silver. Now these two are the same. The turquoise and the shiny silver is the same kind of rhinestone pattern. And then we have this pattern here, which is also in the silver and it's absolutely nice. It's more like a more crystal rhinestones, and the same pattern in the gold. The silver and the gold, oh, they're shiny and nice. And then this one here, OMG, this is a square diamond crystal sheet. It's absolutely beautiful. It has the glass little tiles in there and the little studded rhinestones in between. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And these sheets are, you could iron them on with epoxy too, but you know your girl, I'm using the glue with mine. And some of these sheets I have ordered them before in the smaller quantities, just a little ribbon, the thin ribbon, but now this is the whole sheet. You can cut it and style it to any way that you like, and that's why I got it. I love them. I think they look so nice. And they are from Beebeecraft, and I will leave a link below to all these items in the description box, so you guys can click them on and go over and see what they are, how much they are, and get some for yourself. So these are the ones that we'll be using for today's DIYs. And I will be using these Dollar Tree items along with our Glam sheets to do today's 2 candle DIYs. And we'll be using the tennis balls, yep, the tennis balls, and I got them from the Dollar Tree, yep, along with our sheets and everything. So now I would like you to grab some tea/coffee and a donut or a muffin with that, and let's get started. So here are the tennis balls that we'll be using today, and we are just gonna take them out, and using some hot glue we are going to glue them going right around into a little circle. So we're just gluing each ball together, and I'll be gluing 5 balls going around in the circle. And if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll become part of the Glamster team and notified whenever I upload another DIY. And if you like today's video, I hope you guys give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And now we will be adding another set of balls on top of the first ones, going right around using our hot glue, and just hold it in place for a little second, because you know the glue is hot. It takes a second to really dry and hold firm. So just make sure you just hold them together until they are firm. And next I'll be using some silver paint, and we're just going to paint our tennis balls silver. And I'll just be setting them aside to dry, and then we will add a second coat. And now our first coat is dry, so we are going to add a second coat of silver paint. And I'll be adding this gold glitter to the silver paint before it dries, so the glitter will just dry with the paint. And our second set of tennis balls, we'll be doing the second coat with the silver paint, and this time I'll be adding some silver glitter to this one. And then I'll be setting both of them aside until they're fully dried. And now it's time to decorate our candles, the top part of our candles, which I'll be using the Bling, oh my god, glass one, and also our gold sheet. And see, I cut them into the sizes that I want. And I'm just going to be using some hot glue and glue them down. Remember, now you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project with. I'm just using some hot glue. So now I'm adding the gold bling, and it comes with a strong adhesive on the back, so I'll just be adding this to our vase, our candle vase. And now for our second candle holder vase, I'll be using the same sheets but thinner this time. The glass sheets, I'll be putting a bigger piece in the center. And again, I'm using my hot glue. And now we're adding our gold sheets, which I'm using a thinner one for this pattern. Just change the pattern just a little bit, different from the first one. Now here's our first candle holder, and here's the bottom piece, and I'll be just using some glue and glue them together. And for the second one, I did go back over the top with the diamond coming across, the gold bling coming across the top part. And this one, I'll be using the silver bottom piece and just gluing it together. And here is our finished candle holders. I think they look so nice. I love how they look with the tennis balls on the bottom. I think they look glam and nice. I love the bling. I love the sheets. You can cut it to what you want. I absolutely love it. And this gold is shocking out with the glass pieces, the little glass mirrored pieces. And the bling in between. Oh, I think it looks absolutely lovely. I think they look beautiful on my coffee table. And here they are with some candles inside. 2 tall candles. And now I'm just going to light up these candles for you guys, just to show you how beautiful these two candle holders are. And they were so simple and easy to make. Add a touch of luxury to your home. Ooh, with the lights out, don't they look beautiful? I love how they look. And I couldn't dim the lights too much because it's still daylight, but it's a little bit more cozy and you get the idea. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's two Glam candle holders. I call them Glam because I think they look nice and elegant and so clean that I did halfway just at the front, left the back open so you guys can see through, see the candles. I think they look absolutely beautiful. So give me your point of view, tell me how you like them. And with the ping pong, the tennis balls at the bottom, ping pong balls, tennis balls, whatever you want to call them, they were so nice. I think it adds that added little lift, and it looks absolutely beautiful with the candles on top. Yeah, and if you're new here, once again, welcome, and I hope you would hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you guys like today's video. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.